Data is all around us, and with the right tools, we can analyze data, get insights from data, and make better decisions. The Introduction to Data Science Process Workbook teaches students how to organize, visualize, and interpret data to solve real-world problems. During this experience, students analyze real weather data and make decisions around whether it's safe to launch the new Shepard rocket. To get started, go to www.aka.ms/ITDS, enter your name here, and launch the lesson. The first step in the Introduction to Data Science process is to ask questions. In this step, students brainstorm ideas to formulate the right questions for gathering actionable data. The second step in the Introduction to Data Science journey is to organize data. During this step, students learn how to organize data into tables so that it can be sorted, analyzed, and visualized easily. The next step in the journey is to visualize data. During this step, students learn how to use data visualization techniques and charts to understand relationships between different data sets and get insights from data. The last step in the student journey is to interpret data. During this final step, students learn to analyze and interpret data and make their recommendations for the rocket launch. Once they complete the activity, students also earn their data science certificate. Introduce your students to the data science process and help them make the impossible possible. Check out these free Excel-based resources today.